Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to enable one-handed mode on VIVO V29 Lite. Firstly, go into the settings, scroll a bit down and go into the shortcuts and accessibility. Now go into one-handed, enable it, and now to access the one-handed mode, all you have to do is to make this gesture. So wait, let me go back. So we have to, I don't know, like from the side to the center, back to the side. And now it is enabling one-hand mode. You can also change the size of it. Here we can do everything with one hand, and after you've done, all you have to do is just tap on the X in the top right corner to exit the one-hand mode. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.